Airport travel vocabulary and sample sentences. Airport. How do I ask for the airport address? Where is the airport? I need to be on time at the airport. Airplane. In what airplane will we be flying in? What is my flight's plane number? In what kind of plane would you like to travel in? Flight. I have a flight for the end of the month. My flight is to California. I have to hurry to catch my flight. Flight ticket. Did you already buy the flight tickets? I need to buy a flight ticket. Can you show me your flight ticket? Check in. We have to check in now. How much ahead of time do I need to check in? Can I check my luggage in already? Baggage, luggage. Where do I leave my luggage? I'll take my luggage with me. Is there a place to put my luggage away? Suitcase. Where do I pick my suitcase up? Does it have an additional cost if I take 2 suitcases? Can you help me with my suitcase, please? Passenger. Who is the passenger next to me? How many passengers does this plane have? Do you have space for an extra passenger? Boarding pass. Where do I turn my boarding pass in? Can you show me your boarding pass? I need to print my boarding pass. Where can I do that? Departure gate. Boarding gate. Where is the boarding gate? Which is the boarding gate? Where can I find boarding gates number 714? Departure lounge. Waiting lounge. Where is the waiting lounge? In which departure lounge will we be boarding? Is there a bathroom in the waiting lounge? Departures. Which is a departure for Los Angeles? At what time do you have departures? My departure is at 2 p.m. Arrivals. At what time is our arrival? Which are the next arrivals? Our arrival was at 7 p.m. To board. Can I board the plane? It's time to board the plane. We will begin boarding in 10 minutes. Flight attendant. Air hostess. Can I ask the flight attendant for a beverage? How many flight attendants are there? Flight attendant, would you please provide me with water? Flight crew. The flight crew will be well prepared. Where is the flight crew? He is part of the flight crew. To take off. At what time exactly will the plane take off? It's time to take off. Please remain seated while we take off. To land. Please fasten your seatbelts because we'll be landing soon. We are about to land. Will we land soon? Round trip ticket. I need a round trip ticket. I bought a round trip ticket. Would you like a round trip ticket or just a one-way ticket? One-way ticket. I will only buy a one-way ticket. I only have my one-way ticket. Can you please give me a one-way ticket? Passport control. They told me in passport control I needed a valid passport. Where are the passport control officers? I'm in passport control. Duty free. I shopped and it was duty free. This flight is duty free. Is this store duty free? Baggage claim. I couldn't find my luggage at baggage claim. Is baggage claim here? Where is baggage claim? Customs. They inspected my documentation at customs. Where is customs? What paperwork should I have ready for customs? Carry-on luggage. I only took a small carry-on. Not this one, thank you. It's my carry-on. I'll take my carry-on with me. Depart. I'm getting ready to depart. At what time will we be departing? Please get ready to depart. Layover. My flight doesn't have a layover, it's direct. I have a layover in Las Vegas. The plane will have a layover. First class. My flight is first class. Where is first class? Last time I flew first class. Coach class. There is no price difference in coach class. My flight is coach class. I flew coach class last month. Flight delayed. How much is my flight delayed? Is my flight delayed? Is my flight on time or is it delayed? Taxi service. Cab service. I need a cab service. How can I request a cab service from the airport? Where can I get a cab service? Emergency exit. Where are the emergency exits? If there is a fire, the emergency exits are far away. Where is the emergency exit? Seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt. It's very important to fasten your seatbelt. My seatbelt is not working. Flight number. Which is my flight number? My flight number is H21. Flight number CO2 is about to board. Seat number. Excuse me, which is my seat number? What seat number did I get? Excuse me, this is my seat number. Booking reference. Your ticket's booking reference is A1, B2, C3. Which is my booking reference? Where is my booking reference? Terminal. We have arrived at the terminal. How do I get to Terminal 21? Where can I find Terminal 4? Excuse me, where is the ticket counter? Where is the taxi stand, please? What's the number of the boarding gate? Where is check-in for British Airways? The flight is delayed by half an hour. Is there a train to the city center? Where is the baggage claim, please? I seem to have lost my luggage. Who should I speak to? Is there a car rental agency here at the airport? My flight departs from Terminal 4 at 3 p.m. Is this seat taken? Do you mind if I sit there? Do you prefer a window seat or aisle seat?